Science has been crucially important in developing the world in which we live. Science isn't a thing, though, it's a process. It's not a bunch of facts, as too often is taught in schools. It's a process for deriving facts. It's a process of skeptical inquiry and empirical investigation, ultimately uncovering the truth underlying what is often the illusion of reality. And the techniques of science are incredibly useful in everyday life. Basing our decisions on empirical reality is incredibly important. Now, of course, science, that process has been amazing because it's taken us in less than 400 years from not knowing much about the universe to understanding the universe back to the earliest moments of the Big Bang and the largest scale structures that have ever been created. But it's also created the technology that's made this conversation possible and lengthened lives and changed the world. So it's incredibly productive. The process of science is a useful tool in many areas, and in particular in public policy. Evidence-based public policy is really what I think the March for Science is all about, in my opinion, because if you don't base your policies, if you're a government and you don't base your policies on evidence, then the policies you're going to create are bad policies. We have an obligation to ensure that governments don't distort or censor scientific information, because the only way that the public can have a viable democracy is if they have access to information.